Hi everyone, it's Chantal with Truma. Today we're going to talk about how to turn on your Aventa air conditioner using the CP Plus wall control. So you will go to your wall control, you're going to press and release the button so that it comes on. The first icon that you're going to see is the RV with the thermometer in the middle of it. That's where you set your room temperature. So we're going to push the button to select that. Then you're going to see the word heater or AC. We're going to select the AC because that's what we want to turn on today. Right now, it's turned to off. If I turn the dial, I get to choose between different operations. So I can either put it on vent, where it will just pull in outside air, or on cool, where it will blow cool air into the RV. So I'm going to select cool, and then you're going to turn the dial to the left or to the right to select your temperature that you want the AC to keep the interior of your RV. I'm going to select 72, push the button, and then you'll see on the status line above the RV that there is a little snowflake there that lets you know this has been turned on and activated. You've set your temperature. I want to talk to you about how to change the fan speed on your Truma Aventa using the CP Plus wall control. So you will go to the CP Plus. I already have the air conditioner turned on. I'm going to press and release the button so that the display pops up. And then I'm going to turn the dial until the fan blade icon is flashing. Then I will push the button, and the options that I have are low, mid, high, or night. So those are the options. You can run in low fan speed, medium fan speed, high fan speed, or night mode. The night mode is an ultra quiet mode that's going to allow for the lowest decibel rating of the AC to be running when you're sleeping. So you're going to select that fan speed, whatever suits you. If you need to know more information about the settings on your CP Plus, please refer to our other videos that are found on our website, www.truma.com, and always look at your owner's manual. Now all you have to do is enjoy.